shuffle my feet. You'll never get the best of me. Your sticks and your stones.
This next cocktail is a fan favorite. It's been around since the 1980s, invented in London. This is the Espresso Martini. Now, during my career bartending, I've grown up with this drink. And back in my younger days, when I used to drink a little bit more than I do now, I used to call this the classy vodka Red Bull. So let's make the Espresso Martini. Serve straight up, so we chill our cocktail glass. Put ice in the glass, let that sit to the side to chill. So shake and drink. So I have my small cocktail shaker. We have 1.5 ounces of vodka. We have our coffee liqueur in Kahlua. 0.75, 3/4 ounce. A little bit of added sweetness, just 1/2 ounce. And the main ingredient, freshly brewed espresso. We have about 1 ounce of fresh espresso. One of the wonderful things about fresh espresso in this cocktail is when we give this a really good shake, and I mean a hard shake, actually becomes really, really frothy. And people really, really like that. It adds to the texture, a bit like the egg white in our whiskey sours. So now we're gonna add ice. Fill my shaker to the top with ice. Get the top shaker, put it on top. Give it a tap, make sure that's nice and sealed. And now we're just gonna give this a really, really good shake. We're gonna go for this for about 8 to 10 seconds with this one. We wanna add a little bit more oomph into it. Should be a little bit out of breath after you're shaking that one. Okay, split the tins. Discard the ice from our glass. Shake off the excess water. This one doesn't have any citrus in this cocktail, but we're still gonna double strain because we want it to be super smooth with the frothiness. And because we spent extra time shaking it, the little shards of ice, we just take that out, it just makes it a cleaner experience when we taste this. So we're gonna double strain. Now this cocktail takes around about 20 seconds to settle, but you'll see a very distinct layer, almost like a pint of Guinness will happen with this cocktail. Leave that to the side. Now we just want to garnish it. It's an espresso martini. Espresso beans make the most sense. So the old traditional way is 3 espresso beans. Folklore says they represent peace, love, and happiness. All I know, after an espresso martini or 2, happiness is what I feel. That is the espresso martini.
Put my head down, shuffle my feet. You'll never get the best of me. Your sticks and your stones.